Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and initiating the first scan. Make sure the battery is above 50% and enable airplane mode so no background writes overwrite recoverable data. This preserves file fragments. Open the app, grant storage and microphone access, then pick the specific folder or disk to analyze. Choose Quick Scan to find recent deletions or Deep Scan when you need thorough recovery of older files. Once started, watch the progress and pause only if you must free up resources. Once the scan completes, you'll analyze candidates and filter noise. Use the app's preview player and waveform display to listen briefly and confirm whether a clip contains useful audio. This avoids restoring irrelevant files. Apply filters like date range, format type such as WAV or MP3, and minimum size to narrow results quickly. Then flag the best items as favorites, set an external output path to prevent overwriting, and group them for batch restore. This speeds final extraction and keeps originals intact. To finish, export the chosen files and verify their integrity immediately. Restore to an external drive or a new folder on the device to avoid further disk writes. This preserves recovered data. Play each file fully and inspect for gaps or noise. Apply built-in noise reduction or normalization when necessary so the audio is usable. If you encounter corrupted items, retry with a deep scan or switch to an alternate recovery profile within the app. That one troubleshooting step often recovers files missed in the first pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.